Hey everybody, it's Daniel at Ontario Analytics. I want to do a follow-up. Happy Easter, everybody. This is Tuesday following Easter. I want to do a follow-up to the second video that I recorded, which took everybody to the dashboard. Over Easter, we released an update to the dashboard that allows you to continue chatting with ARIA about the vehicle under test in the dashboard. So we think this is a pretty cool feature. I wanted to go ahead and just show you how it worked. All right, so this is we're gonna go back to the same vehicle, the same vehicle, my car that we tested in actually a few weeks ago. The test that we recorded, and then I did a little chat with ARIA. It was a test drive. Did a little chat with ARIA at the end of it, and so here's that test. Okay, so this is that session, and what we can do now is we can go back and we can say chat with ARIA, and you'll see that it brings up, pretty cool, your previous chat, right? So this is actually the drive. We said start a drive test, and this was that complete conversation, right? I said set it up for me. If you go back and watch the first video, it added the parameters. Then we did the drive test. Then I said analyze the data. Here were the results, right? And this was everything that was on the mobile app, and you'll see it says from mobile app, right? Each bubble. And then, because I was testing it here, okay, so then the other day I came back to it and I asked this question. Hey, ARIA, asked me about this vehicle. You could see the dividing line here. So this up here was what we did in app, and then this was done on the dashboard. Hey, ARIA, tell me about this vehicle. And just here was a response. And so I said, hey, compare this and the previous test. So we can see ARIA compares this result with the previous test, which took place 10 days earlier, and reaches conclusions. And so now you can continue, like, hey, I thought of something, and I did think of something. Last test and the previous test, you mentioned something about fuel trims. Does that look okay? Any conclusions? Are we still watching out for it? And here's the answer. Let's break down. All right. All right, an explanation of the fuel trims, what the readings were, the ranges were from the last two periods, how it stacks up. They're excellent. Occasional spikes, no red flags, nothing. Bottom line, worry about nothing. All right. So that's just an example of this new feature. In conclusion, you can start chatting with ARIA on the app and then continue chatting here, or you can simply use the app to capture the data, right? Do not chat with ARIA there. Finish the test. When you have time, go to your desktop computer or your tablet or whatever, open up the web dashboard and conduct your analysis there, which is probably a lot easier than conducting it on a phone or a smaller device. And that's it. We hope everybody likes the new feature. What will the next step will be, and what you might notice now is that although you can start a chat on the app, right, and the ARIA on the dashboard remembers and recalls everything from that previous chat. You can't, when you go back to the app and run this same vehicle again, ARIA will not recall that, but that will be in this next version. So then the workflow will be, record the data, ask questions of ARIA during the in-app, during whenever the vehicle's under test. Go to the dashboard, ask more questions, go back to the vehicle, ask more questions, and that could be your workflow, new workflow. Thanks everybody for that supported me, supported Ontario Analytics in helping us build and refine OBDAI in ARIA.